As more Jamaica. I'm from small Jamaica. Relax.
So greedy. Farmers, they feed us every day, multiple times a day. But do we know who they are? Do we know their day-to-day activities? Do we know the challenges that they face as they feed you and I every day? So I traveled to NKORANZA to meet with over 100 farmers in Busunya and in Boabeng Fiema to observe their activities and to share their stories with you. These farmers have incorporated honeybees into their farm production to increase their yield as a sort of organic edge over other farms. And they are also reaping the benefits by getting involved in honey processing in Ghana. They are so lovable and they shared so much with us. I want you all to listen to their stories, get involved by checking out the description box and the information below. Now, let's listen to them. Hi guys, so this is Mr. Richard OKOE of the National Beekeepers Association, and he brought us here to NKORANZA. We're actually heading to the group demonstration site, to see how the operation goes on here. So Mr. OKOE, what are we going to see?
So we're going to see is the apiary for women. So we're going to see bee hives there. They are colonized, so we see a lot of bees. We see activities going on, and then when it's mature, we'll be harvesting. So maybe probably by December, January, we can do first harvesting, and in March we can also do another harvest. But that depends on when you open it and you look at the combs and the honey is mature, meaning that the bees have sealed it, then it's mature, then we can harvest it.
On the way to the demo site, I engaged some of the farmers about their activities, and they had a lot to say. Now, bear in mind, all of them have farms of their own, and they've incorporated these bees into the farm. You have to listen to what they had to say.
2 cities, sometimes 1 city, 50 pesos. Because why you Juma at the end of the day, we were talking cashew. 1 kilo, 1 city, 50 pesos. Sometimes you jaguar, if you are Sapra. See, in your good market, Jumano, you buy your man, Scaba, area.
Yeah, to me, because I'm not Tiwayana, one Casawa, Wadi, a coachman. I'm a Yakon and Kakranka Krama.
I'm said this year now, I'm some for baby chat. Yeah, maybe be Becca, make man, I say, who heifer for no more, but tis a queen Boabenha. Nay, ye, Quenja Bumby. Tis a queen and no good. Nay, for Asare Abasum.
Nampacho then I would do work for yourself.
Sir, more wire cashew. And when Pacho Cosing cashew, your ton is saying a coyiana. I had a month of person. I said, you could answer. As I say, I obey. As I'm now, per se, or more motion, then I open so catch room. Because one thing I have into the only be my own, Nigeria can't remember some can say. Yeah, Uniska.
Yes.
This old boys come on. Yes, you better dance a million by your chilling, but Babam Cassette. And Baba be ye dear be your crew him. There's a woo about Uka can't any pine 1 penty. Wow, what a man when you. We are him for the Muka catch the view over Jetty. Dear your baby, and your mother, and your corner, I can't. Oh, but I'm in the cup of Papa. Because I'm a from Paul Martin. No, but also Beekeepers Association. Okay, see, idea, Hannah Fiana, Yadas, and tea, a Fiana, I fear you will
so metimi ayibina me de atachi
No, okay, I send a
oh se meaning say aya ade a etumi ya beboa ye ndachi san say se ye kwa asase ye da hai nka ha se ba bia ne de reserve for yetimi do na so do a okuru nu wura ho a ubia nkate awafa aburo bayiro chese bia ne nipa diko na nu bia bia onu ko okuru nu wura ho a obedi nti se ye no na efi se abeboa ye se daachi no yenya ba bi kakra ebe do bayira no beboa isikama yetumi de ayire intuntumi ma.
The next place we went to was the demo site where the beekeepers are trained about how to keep the hives, harvest, and so much more. It was quite an experience. We didn't get very close this time, but in subsequent episodes, we're going to be seeing how they harvest honey, process it, and a whole lot more.
Okay. Chama ti miso na che say we the yes.
Okay, where water car beekeeping no ombosoni. Aha. Inti top bus we no. Ana omoye won wo so. Aha. Eni omoye no wo so. Tutembia no wudi si wono ma bia. Ense ntokuro wo so a se to betimi abam. Nti yade akata so wie no na so akata so ya nsuta nsuto yenkoma wona basai wona ikirinsuo nsuo koma basai ba pro aha ana selebe ya nkankan anase ans ensai adaka nti na desi ayon rod no so no aha ana saa wi no so ema da de no wura fam aha da de ne kada ntumi nwura fam yetumi de nsuo su gum to other time no bi no wa no yetumi nyansuo no
nti wono omo mwana se ngese sisi ye monsha tare a madress anke ye be yibi a kire mo bo se wono ye frisi be kan se anti se opagya bo se ade no wa asese na mono kombuno ewo we so nanka wuyi a moano wo ho na be blash aprapra wo magu we mu na fi wo de second knife atwa wono de ato ayene mu aha wo de ayesu
wo a na de ato
aha nti wo a wo begya kakra be se 3 se ne be ya moano em san firi nko ba mfiri mko aha se
aha omoduane aha
nti se wuyi ni nyina afiri mu aha ombe se atua ko na se wanyi ni nyina wutwa na wugya kakra mu a aha na omo atena onu mu omo asan
Okay, Jeff, what happened to you? Stop being so dramatic. What happened?
Well, they just gave me a welcome. According to the locals here, there's a welcome party from the bees. But I don't believe them. I think the bees just hate me because I was the only one
who got stung.
Oh my God.
Anyway, how did you feel like?
Yeah, it was painful, but now, well,
yeah, the lady put ointment on it
anymore. Yeah. Because I'm Superman.
Okay, yo, matter. As we made our way through the town, one name kept coming up. Grace, Grace, Grace. Everybody said you have to talk to Auntie Grace. So we found our way to her home to ask her about her experiences. Auntie Grace is the supervisor of the women in the BONO, part of the Beekeepers Association. This is her story. Hi everyone, so we're here with Auntie Grace. Auntie Grace, Patricia Dacio.
It's very nice.
You're back from Umano Biase, Auntie Grace. You was here now, Kasa. In the Beekeepers Association, Wamuntina, Yanam. And Hano, Ejima is a higher person.
A workman will be in check when I call. What shop we can I cry? Until the idea happens to say, Yabres, yes, I say, you could do it. Until a wordman as he starts here. A man and man, you so I can say,
never saying, yes, matter somebody be yes, seminar name, I also hear because
seminar and day and starting. If I okay, so when I say I hope 1 hour, so to one on my Mr. Goma yesterday, honey evolved.
Okay,
the honey needs to be able to. Yesterday,
oh, matter. Entire sign for I am not home, so we are
ye ton bi wa ye ton bi so nkwa
ɛdeɛ na wopɛ sɛ mafo sɛ mo so mo wɔ ha nti mo abɛyɛ na ohia saa na obi wɔ bibi a
ɔde bɛboa yɛ sɛ ɛna madi nka ka sɛ asase kɔ bi na yɛde bɛbrɛfo ɛna wonya asase kakra so bɛyɛ sɛ 1 year kakra na sɛ wɔde box foforɔ no kɔsi so a ɔyɛ ade a wobɛtumi de abɔ bɔbra wɔde bɛhyɛ abrabɔ no ase nti sikasɛm nso nti yɛpɛ nso yɛntumi nyɛ ɛma ɛyɛ a yɛka ho yi ebi koraa nni adaka no do ne nyinaa nso yɛ sikasɛm nti yɛpɛ sɛ obi ɔbɛboa yɛ a ɔbɛboa yɛ sika sɛ yɛbɛtumi de ayɛ box foforɔ bi anaasɛ ɔbɛboa yɛ wɔ box foforɔ mu a nso yɛbɛtumi de ayɛ adwuma yɛde bɛhwɛ yɛ mma yɛ yɛ ayɛ ankasa.
Okay, so you've heard from Auntie Grace, organizer, National Beekeepers Association, Barbie, Obama. Hope you guys will support them. I'll send you the information. Look in the description box. Contact Mr. OKOE. If you want to buy any honey, you can come here. If you want to help them with the boxes as well, you can come. So we're taking a lunch break from going around all day. We'll continue again in the next video. Make sure you guys thumbs up whilst I go and eat my lunch. I'll see you soon.